डिस्ट्रिक्ट किस तरह से आइडेंटिफाई किए, वी यूज्ड मोर ऑफ अ साइंटिफिक अप्रोच वेयर वी फिगर्ड आउट कि यार व्हाट आर द मूवर्स एंड शेकर्स ऑफ दैट डिस्ट्रिक्ट. मूवर्स एंड शेकर्स बीइंग किन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स का ज्यादा एकरेजेस रहता है हिस्टोरिकली, एंड उन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स पे हम फोकस करते हैं. सो गुजरात में हमने द्वारका भूमि, जूनागढ़, पोरबंदर पे एनालिसिस किया, मध्य प्रदेश में गुना, नीमच, राजगढ़ में किया है, एंड राजस्थान में बारन, कोटा, झालावर में किया है. And then what we've also done is extrapolated those numbers to state levels. Gujarat, right? Gujarat mein the weather has been consistently good for coriander. There are no anomalies that have been observed, and that has been consistent throughout the state, right? Where we see that whatever we compared the weathers, fortnight weathers for past 50 years, and compared it with this year. And that is how we figured out कि यार इस बार जो weather रहा है गुजरात में favorable रहा है. And that's what we see in a spatial map as well, where the health of the crop has been consistently consistent. There are no red patches that you see in the analysis, right? The health so far is good of coriander, right? Now to the acreages, yields and production, right? The acreages this year, the acreages that are estimated that we are observing for Gujarat are it's actually, like the previous committee members were saying as well, it is actually bumper from last year. And we are also seeing that a lot of cumin farmers have migrated to coriander. Because the health is also very good so far, and there are no major health anomalies observed, the production is likely to be normal, with the production of 3.1 metric tons that can be expected this year, right? The other part of analysis that we figured out was that out of 1,000 odd villages, as I said, we can do this analysis at village level as well. We did that, right? We tried and do it. Out of 1,000 odd villages of these 3 districts, only 400 districts ऐसे हैं जिनका acreage is more than 100 hectares for coriander in these districts. We move to Madhya Pradesh. मध्य प्रदेश में फिर भी थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन रहा है वेदर का, स्पेसिफिकली ड्यूरिंग नवंबर टाइम्स, जब थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर ज्यादा था एज कंपेयर टू last 50 years. But largely the crop, because the weather later part of the season has been consistent, तो इस वजह से अभी तक तो consistent weather है, health अच्छी रह रही है of coriander. So moving to the next chart, which is the acreages and yields. Here what we are seeing is that the acreages are supposed to be similar than to last year, that we are observing on the ground, right, through satellite imagery. The images, so the acreages are likely to be more or less similar to what were observed last year. And again, from a village perspective, if someone wants to identify, 380 ऐसे villages हैं जिनका acreages currently are more than 100 hectares out of the 3,908 villages of these 3 districts. From Rajasthan perspective, right? Rajasthan was one state where deviations were high, right, with respect to temperature. The minimum temperatures fell twice, right, more than what was expected and what is normal, right? But the saving grace was there was no frost. It was clearly sunny. So इस वजह से health राजस्थान में अच्छा है अब तक crop का. And so what we did here, we compared it with 2020 figures, and what we found that the acreages from 2020 declared figures are lower, right? It's 51,000 hectares that we are observing. This is also due to the fact that coriander as a crop is best to track when it's at a flowering stage. Right now, Rajasthan, majority of the crop is in the peak vegetative stage. 15 days more, probably the number, right? So, coming to cumin, again, right? Cumin has 78%. These were the districts that we worked on, which covered around 80-85% for both Gujarat and Rajasthan. From weather perspective, weather has been kind for Gujarat.
Excuse me, एक डाउट है आप प्रीवियस previous coriander slide. अच्छा, are you comparing 2021 with the 22-23? It is not last year.
Not last year. Not
2
last
years
year.
before.
2 years before.
Okay.
I did not have the last year's figure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So perfect. So Gujarat, again, weather has been kind consistent throughout, barring Kutch area, where certain anomalies were observed. Currently, the health in Kutch area is a bit. There are few hotspots that we are observing, which we will be tracking in the next 15 days or so, in Kutch area specifically. Obviously, we'll also be tracking the rains that are happening right now. The impact of this rain will be there in the outlook as well. Due to a bit higher temperatures of Gujarat in the November month, first fortnight of November, right? The yields, what we foresee is that yields might take a dip, but largely the production is supposed to be 1.81 lakh metric tons. The acreages of cumin in Gujarat has fallen. Farmers, what we are observing, have moved from cumin to coriander in Gujarat. That is something that we are observing and we are seeing on the ground. From Rajasthan perspective, crop is again, right, due to lack of frost, etc. Nothing major has adversely impacted the crops, and the crop is healthy across the target districts. Here also the acreages are falling. The acreage of cumin that we are observing is lesser than 9% of previous 2020-21.
One suggestion please. आप current year का production ही focus करिएगा, क्योंकि 2 साल पहले का compare करेंगे ना confuse हो जाएगा.
Sure, fair enough. So the production that we are expecting is 3 lakh metric tons that we foresee that this year cumin will be. These are the areas where we can actually focus on deploying resources, etc., for procurement of cumin right now. Now coming to fennel crop, we looked at 5 districts: Banaskantha, Mehsana, Sundarnagar, Nagaur and Siroi for Rajasthan, covering around 60% of the acreages for these 2 states. Crop is in flowering stage, so we've been able to look at the general trend or the health of the crop. There are few places where we are seeing a distress in the crop in Gujarat, specifically Sundarnagar and Banaskantha, which are actually high acreage areas. Can have an adverse impact on the yields, but we will be again publishing the reports to the association for the next fortnight because of the rainfalls that have happened. We will be publishing the report to the association, and what we are looking at right now is a slight decrease in the acreage, a 10% odd decrease in the acreage of fennel, and with a production of around 99k metric ton in fennels that we are expecting. Similarly for Rajasthan, this is the summary that we have for the acreages in Rajasthan for fennel are likely to stay consistent, and with the estimated production of 32k metric ton that we are seeing. Right? From a summary perspective, this is how the figures look like. this is how the figures look like from a summary perspective. So from the acreage perspective, the coriander is likely to